A police officer in Mississippi, America named Mark Rodriguez was driving his car during very cloudy weather. Suddenly, a flash of lightning struck the end of the road in front of him. The lightning was only a few meters away from him, and he even said he saw pieces of concrete flying. A few days later, he returned to the road and took photos of the concrete that was destroyed by the lightning strike. It started with casually recording heavy rain at her campus. A lecturer at the Blanchardstown Institute of Technology in Dublin named Nicola Duffy was almost struck by lightning. The lightning appeared from across the yard just a few meters from where she was standing. She even fell because she was so shocked by the lightning strike. Bernard Williams, 55 years old from West Yorkshire, England, was very lucky this time. Just a few seconds after he left his car to walk to the house, lightning sent a piece of wood sliding from across the street. Even breaking the rear window of the car where he had been standing before. Two young men named Nick and Daniel planned to take their boat out of the dock. Then Nick, with his phone camera, wants to record the dark sky over Sydney. Moments later, lightning strikes the water just a few meters from where they are standing. A couple was walking on a beach in Sydney, Australia. Initially, they were not afraid, but as the couple from South Africa headed toward the rocks at the edge of the beach, the guy warned his girlfriend to be careful. And sure enough, a big lightning bolt from the sky struck the rocky ground just a few meters from where the woman was standing.